If you're just a, uh, a Bitcoin or an Ethereum trader and you're not understanding this, you're getting killed. And there are opportunities in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you're not going to get it in the spot market with a questionable exchange now. With in this case, they'll always mention Bybit and Binance. Okay, but the core um, drivers that will impact Bitcoin are institutions. So you can see here, Bitcoin. Okay, so right now, based around some events, again, because of Trump, it impacts open interest of of Bitcoin. So because you have open interest, that's telling you to test the market of what's happening in Bitcoin on the pricing front through the options market. Um, there can be perpetual, and again, you can see they're using Bybit and or Binance only. Don't ask me why they're not using Coinbase. They're not using any of the other exchanges. But it's always typically Bybit and Binance. Okay. But you can see here it measures volatility, the skewness, and even do the Greek analysis. So and that's the dealers, the brokers, the hedge funds, the quant shops, the institutions, the big multi-million dollar hedge funds or institutions, what they're doing. But because you know that, and you know that potentially there's going to be a downside risk intraday level, uh, the spot market, the retail traders aren't going to know this. Funds being bought at 60K, put blah, 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 call overwrite, structure notes, blah, blah, blah. And they're using the order flow from the folks in Binance, Bybit, and all these retail exchanges to kind of like, I don't know, it's not manipulating Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin, but they're able to drive the majority of the price because they have such an impact because they're buying so much volume.